You want to know what really just upsets me when I look at what's going on in the online marketing world, the network marketing world, the stuff that you see all over the internet that really just pisses me off. I'm going to let you know the secret behind online marketing and network marketing and building your business online. I'm going to let you in on the major secrets, the things that I think are wrong with what you see on the internet. I'm gonna pull it all back. Stay tuned. I'm gonna blow your mind. I need some light in here though. Welcome back. My name is Ryan Mcmorris, and welcome to my home office in Greenville, South Carolina. I've been online since 2014, and we love building our business, but we also love helping other people build theirs. So in today's video, I'm going to give you everything that I think is wrong with the online marketing industry, okay? I need to set this thing up because we're about to have a chat, okay? So let me set you guys up really quick. Boom. Set up. We're good. You know what? We need some light. Be right back. All right, let there be light. Okay, so what is the big problem with online marketing when it comes to building a business on the internet, when it comes to making money from home, when it comes to doing all of this, okay? Here's what sparked, well, first, let me tell you a little bit about me. This channel is dedicated to helping you create passive income in your life and create a dream lifestyle, okay? Me and my wife, Wesley, we've been doing this thing since 2014. We decided to go into entrepreneurship. In 2015, I got fired from my job and decided to never work again. Was able to retire my wife, and we now both successfully work from home and look to build our empire from home. And we look to help other people do the same thing, because unless you're helping other people, you're not really creating a lifestyle of freedom. So how did we do that? Okay, and what's the big problem with what we see with online businesses online? Okay, so here's what I see. I see a lot of gurus, and here's what sparked this rant. All right. Now, before I go into it, if you feel like you get some value from this video, or you want to catch some more how-to videos, tutorials, that kind of thing, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you want to catch some behind-the-scenes action, or when we go live, make sure you connect with me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are below, so make sure you do that before you hop off here, all right? So here's what inspired this rant. I was actually doing some creeping on a friend of mine who was shooting a video, and he was showing his income, right? You've seen that before when someone shows their income in a particular program or whatever the case may be, right? And the thing that I don't like is when you show how much money you're making in a program, and then you're gonna take someone and show them how to build a business online, but their business is marketing the program. Okay, now I get how that works. I'm a true believer in affiliate marketing. I'm a true believer in opportunity. However, I'm not the biggest fan of creating a business, telling other people that they have to create a business and that's the business that they've created. I know that didn't make any sense, but to me, it doesn't make any sense to why we do this. So if you're telling me that you make $100,000 a year on the side teaching network marketers how to grow their business, well, to the network marketer that's looking to grow their business, that's not helping them, okay? They need help growing their business, right? So for us, like, we build a network marketing team. We do a lot of online marketing. We build our network marketing business online. However, the reason that we chose the network marketing business that we chose is because if someone joins that business, the business isn't going out and creating a bunch of other people trying to create a business. The business actually sells a product. People get paid to sell a product, okay, to a consumer who has nothing to do with the business. Okay, so here's the big problem when it comes to online marketing in today's day and age, because most people are promoting a thing that once you buy the thing, now it's your job to promote the thing, and it's no end consumer. Okay, now I get it. We make a lot of money teaching people how to grow their business and recruit and make sales. But in my opinion, let me know if you guys are feeling this in the comment section. Again, this is just a rant that I think is wrong with the online marketing and network marketing industry of the make money from home type thing. Is just most people aren't set up in a way that you can set up your business to consumer, and there you go. Okay, so a lot of people, we do affiliate marketing, and if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, basically how affiliate marketing works, and our top 3 ways to make passive income online is to join a network marketing business that actually has products and services that people can consume on a month-to-month basis. Most network marketing companies are set up in a way where the only way for you to really make passive income is to go play the recruiting game, which is all fine and dandy. Obviously, we recruit people as well, but we create a business from customers. We have a customer base of people that go to our website. We send people to that website. They decide whether or not they want to buy the products, and then they buy the products or they don't buy the products. And many of them buy the products every single month. Okay. Now we also, we know that if you build an audience and you want to do affiliate marketing and do affiliates from like ClickBank or JVZoo or Walmart or Amazon or most companies, if you scroll to the bottom of their website, you'll see that they offer affiliate programs, and that's great. In my opinion, the best way to be an affiliate marketer is to decide what niche, what audience that you want to build, and then go partner with certain things that that audience would buy from. Okay, and you should probably buy the things too. Okay, because the reason that these people are going to buy the affiliate offer is because you've tried it, you've done the research, and you can say, hey, I recommend this. Go buy it. That's my opinion of being a really good affiliate marketer, is just, affiliating your things with things that you love, you would buy, and that you're just going to recommend to your audience. You're saying, hey, I've got an audience, I can drive traffic to your website. When you make a sale because I drove traffic to your site, then guess what? You just give me a commission, and I love that. I love that. The other way that I think you can really kill it with passive income online today is just to do your own thing. A lot of you have skill sets and you have things that you're really good at that you can go out and people will pay you for it. Okay, you have skill sets, and you can literally use something like ClickFunnels and design an easy, simple funnel, and people will pay you for the skill sets that you have or the services that you can provide them. Okay, so those are like the top 3 ways of making money online. So here's what we believe. Okay, now just bear with me for a second. In ILC, we believe that there's probably something out there that you love doing, right? No matter whether it's health and fitness or whether it's, clean living or financial, whatever, there's something that you're probably passionate about, right? We believe that you should look for something to partner with, whether it's a network marketing, affiliate marketing, or doing your own thing around whatever your passion is, whatever you're good at, whatever your love is, right? Now, a lot of people will say, well, should I do what I love or should I do what I'm good at? I believe that you need to get good at what you love. That's my opinion, and then build an audience around it. There's 3 ways that you make money online. You build an audience, whether it's on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Pinterest, it doesn't matter. You build an audience somewhere, and you should really be building an email list because you own it. But you build an audience, you connect and engage with that audience and find out what their problems are, and then you basically create offers or align yourself with offers that will solve their problem. It's genius. It's literally the most simple thing in the world. But a lot of us aren't creating our brand online or our presence online around what we love and what we're good at, right? So if you do that, you can align yourself with a certain network marketing company, because a lot of people are building these companies that they're not really in alignment with. They're doing these things that they're not really in alignment with. So That's what we believe. You know what I mean? Just wanted to kind of like interrupt for a second. Okay, let me get back on track real quick. The thing that that just really grinds my gears. Did I say that? I said grind. Did I say that? The thing that really grinds my gears. Crickets. All right. So the thing that really like just kind of upsets me is when I see people that are promoting a thing and it's like, hey, this is how I'm making money, okay? But it's like that's kind of the definition. Now I don't want to say like a pyramid scheme because like there is a product or service that is offered, but make sure that if you're going to join something, make sure that there's an end consumer that, hey, they're getting training, they're getting, you know, coaching, they're getting something that they can use, and they're not so like if you get into a program and they offer coaching or training, if you can use that training to build your business if you already have one, or go out and create your own thing, or you can build your brand in a way that you say, look, I do want to be an affiliate marketer and I want to find things that I can align with, that I can offer my audience, and then they give me a commission for it. Just make sure that you're lining up with things that like make sense to you, and you're not just, you know, going out there and grabbing the next thing that says, okay, cool, I can make money with this, right? Like you're never gonna find fulfillment in that, and that's what we created, intentional lifestyle creators. That's what being a lifestyle creator is all about. It's not just going out and making money, but it's aligning with things that you can be fulfilled with and you can be happy with, and you can support something long term. Because I'm telling you guys, a lot of these programs that you see a lot of people promoting online, they're there for a year or two and then they're gone. Okay? We have aligned with things that have been around for 10, 20 years, and we think that they're going to be around for the next 20, 30 years. And truly that's going to help us create residual income that helps us today, but leads into our retirement and can pay us forever. So I hope this rant makes sense. I just really hope you get it. You know what I mean? I'll leave a couple links below if you want to check out what we're doing, or feel free to shoot me a message on Facebook or Instagram. Or if you have any questions on building passive income from home or anything like that. But you know, it's just that, you know, I just feel like if you're gonna promote something and say, look, this is how I'm making money, then, you know, don't trick anybody into saying like, hey, you know, this is how I'm making money. But I've also created some other income streams, and this is how I build my business. You know what I mean? There's a difference between, you know, if you make, you know, $500,000 a year and all you're doing is coaching people on how to make, you know, money, but you're bragging and saying, hey, I make 500 G's. Understand that like, hey, this is how I make my money. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I mean, to me, yeah, no, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if this makes sense at all. But that's the big thing that I think is wrong with online marketing today. I think that that no one, or not no one, say no one, because obviously, you know, we do this, but for a lot of people, they're just in this place where you're marketing a shadow. You know what I mean? Instead of like, hey, here's a business that I'm going to help you start, business to consumer. And obviously, if some of those people want to be affiliates and use this as an income stream, great. But that's not the main thing. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Hopefully give you some value. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you got some value from this one. Feel free to share this with anybody that you feel like needs to understand the online marketing, you know, make money from home type of world, because, you know, we love to help other network marketers, online marketers. That's great. Okay, but again, we make money in our network marketing business. We align with affiliate things that teach people something, so they actually get something for the money that they're paying. It's not just some shadow thing that says, hey, go out and be an affiliate, this is how you make money. Hopefully that makes sense. And we also have created our own income stream. So we've done all three. We've built money, we built an income in network marketing, we've built an income in online marketing and affiliate things, and we've also created our own stuff. So we can show you how to do the same thing. If you're open to it, just let us know. Leave a comment, shoot me a message on Facebook or Instagram, or feel free to click one of the links below and check out what we got going on. Have a good day. All right, my name's Ryan Mcmorris. Peace.